Once schema information has been synchronized, Umbraco Deploy can also be used to support content migrations. In this scenario, an editor has created a number of pages in a staging environment and wants to promote them to live. They can do this by queuing the update for transfer and then triggering it. The content will then be transferred to the destination site and published. And we can also carry out the reverse operation. In this scenario, a developer who wants to retrieve content from the production site into their local environment in order to work on a bug fix can do so by triggering a partial restore from the menu. The content is pulled from the production site down into the local Umbraco instance.